right here, Jake. Oh no, I can't bear watching these again. Oh no, it's a combat Carl. Hey, what's going on? Nothing concerns you, idiot hero man. Just us toys. I better take a look at him. Oh no, he's from the store of Survival Life. That's why, stupid Sid. Oh, hairy fella. Huh. Oh, no. That's God, you idiot. That is Sid. Is he a happy child? Ain't no happy child. He tortures toys just for fun. But somehow we got to do something. What are you doing? Get down from there. I'm going to teach that boy a lesson. Oh, go ahead. Melt him with your stupid, dumb blast. Be careful of that. This is extremely dangerous. He's lightning. Take cover. Yes, he's gone. He's history. Woo! Oh man, I could have stopped him. Iron Man, I will love to see you try. Of course, I want to see it like a toy does that anyway. Yeah. Yeah, when we move, it can be like even better. 3, 4. Yeah. 250 in the skies. Oh man, all this packing makes me high. What do you say you want to, like, have a dinner? Huh? Like at Universal Studios? A Universal at the theme park. Oh, cool. Oh, come on, you gotta bring I'll bring my, cause bring some toys. You can bring only just one toy. Just one toy. Don't kill us, Paul! Yeah! Blue. Zing. Iron Man! Oh, great, good, Iron Man. Oh, Iron Man, please help us. We have trouble. Trouble? Where? Down there. It's just down there like a helpless toy. It's trapped, Iron Man. We have no time to lose. I don't see anything. He was just there. Just keep looking. There's no toy. Ah! Oh! Iron Man! I don't see him in the driveway. I think he bounced it to, like, Sid's yard. Oh no! Iron Man! Hey everyone! How is speed like the beat? What is it, boy? Oh well, I think he's saying this was no accident. What do you mean? I think Humpty Dumpty was pushed. No, by Jake! Wait, what? Wait a minute. You don't mean I knock like Iron Man out the window, do you, Potato Head? That's Mr. Potato Head. You talking, you backstabbing murderer. Oh, well, this is like an accident. Now, guys, come on, you gotta believe me. We believe you. Jake. Hey, Rex. Oh, wait. Hey, guys. I don't like conversation about helping. What are you on, douchebag? You have been on the streets. You don't stand to pay. Hey! Ooh. You just cuts in your playtime. Could you, Jake? You stick the facts like Annie might be new Iron Man's favorite toy. So you got rid of them. What happened? You start playing with me, huh, Jake, huh? You gonna knock me out the window, too? Oh, well, I don't think we should give him a chance. 30 sent him, man, drag him on. Let's call him on his pull string. I got his pull string, potato head. Will you boys stop it? Wait, no, stop. Okay, guys. I could just explain everything. Oh, hey, Mom, I'll be right down. I gotta get to Iron Man. Oh, hey, man, retrieve.